Do you feel like you might never create the true freedom you desire? I remember many of those late nights when my business felt like a golden cage. I felt claustrophobic, like I might never be able to create the true freedom that I desired. And this is a problem that can exist in all four stages of business. I believe in my vision. I know I have to put in the work to make it happen, but I feel easily overwhelmed because I don't know what to prioritize or how to make myself heard. I love seeing my business grow, but I get frustrated because I feel like the support I hire should be more effective and help me move forward faster. Why is this person so hard to help? Their ideas change 500 times a day before I even get a chance to move forward with a project. I can see my business and team maturing, except that I still have to have my hands in every single freaking project. When can I finally trust them to do it without me? Well, because you keep holding on to it. Just give it to me. Wait, what? Why are you touching that? We took this away from you forever ago. Why do I still not feel free? If I had known I was creating a job for myself, I might have just stayed in corporate. Just want to be able to own my role and be able to finish a project enough to truly perform. We are fine. You actually can be free, and we just need a plan and stick to it. So stop getting in the way. So here's why CEOs like us get stuck in our business. We change direction too often. We interfere with their team having true ownership over their roles, and there are probably too many initiatives or projects that are being greenlit. And I just want to let you know that issue is the visionizers and the strategizers and the mobilizers to figure out together and come up with a plan to fix those three reasons why fires take over all their time, energy, and probably make them lose a lot of money too. Here are some of the tools that you want to use when you're thinking about how to help the team stay focused and not make the fires take over them. First is a team accountability map, an actual mind map of that team accountability, some management and communication systems that will help you organize these thoughts and create solutions, and ultimately a one-page strategic plan that everyone is working from so that you stay on course. Some of the other things you might want to consider are annual anchors, which means knowing exactly those times where you're going to be creating campaigns or marketing what you're doing. A launch calculator, which tells you what the goals are and lets everybody get on the same page. And obviously, actual offer and revenue goals, and knowing how to implement what we call on our campus the unique message model. If you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more entrepreneurs who want help growing their business. And be sure to also hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get seen, heard, and paid for the unique value you bring into the world. Until next time.